Today, we've got 12 exciting updates on the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's dive right in. What's up, guys? S here. First off, if you didn't know already, the Z Fold 7 is going to be heavily based on the Z Fold Special Edition that Samsung launched a few months ago in South Korea. While there's no new special edition this year, the Z Fold 7 will inherit most of its impressive tech. Bigger and better. Significantly larger displays both inside and out. A whopping 200-megapixel main camera from the Ultra lineup. And get this, a nearly invisible crease. Say goodbye to the under-display camera. Samsung is ditching the under-display camera. Honestly, it makes sense since the quality was never quite there. S Pen support. Here's the kicker, there's a chance the Z Fold 7 won't have S Pen support. Ross Young, our go-to-display leak expert, backs this up. This could be a huge letdown for S Pen fans, especially after the S25 Ultra downgrade. Imagine the backlash if they remove it completely. More updates on the Z Fold 7. False rumors about a downclocked Snapdragon 8 chip. It'll have the same chip as the S25 Ultra. Launching with One UI 7.1, bringing new AI features, pretty expected. A new smoother hinge for easier opening and closing. Pro Scalar display tech from the S25 Ultra enhances images automatically. Display brightness remains the same at 2600 nits, no surprises there. Storage and RAM configurations unchanged, still number 16 GB RAM option. Upgrades and improvements? Increased vapor chamber size to handle the Snapdragon 8 Elite's heat output. Upgraded speakers. Fold 6 speakers were solid, but these are even better. Wi-Fi 7 support confirmed. A big step up, the Z Fold 7 is a significant upgrade from the Fold 6, bigger screens, better cameras, a faster chip, and more. Debunking misconceptions, some articles claim Samsung isn't trying with the Z Fold 7. Not true. They're comparing it to the Special Edition, which most people never even experienced. The Z Fold 7 fixes major issues like screen size, camera quality, and crease visibility, all at no extra cost to consumers. Pricing remains the same. Samsung is keeping the pricing the same for both the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Win-win. Pre-order offers extended. If you're thinking about picking up the S25 Ultra, Samsung has extended its pre-order offers. Get a free pair of Buds 3 Pro, double storage, and up to $900 in trading credit. Links are down below.